Daddy going to the pumpkin run.
It's officially car show day, and we got the Bel Air here going to the pumpkin run for the first time in about, I don't know, 10, 15 years, something like that. It's been a long, long time, that's all I know. Really excited to be getting it out of this hole and out on the road where it should be.
Big red hair, pink bottle soap. Off the car. Got a 2-man shade on.
I used Grio's car wash to hose it all down. I think I washed it twice, and then I actually cleaned each window. I seriously swear, like 10 times inside and out. This thing was just caked from a decade of dust, and so I had my work cut out for me. I ended up working until I think almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I was real hyped up on adrenaline because this is, like I said, the first time we've been to the pumpkin run, which is a big car show for us, and it's just a family tradition. And we had been working our way towards this point for, like I said, a decade. And when you work on something for that long, you know, like the moments leading up to it, it just felt so big.